Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Osiz's vlog. So today I'll be teaching you how to make a vision board just like this one, so you'll be able to plan for your 2023 and it actually works because I use it myself. And this is what I use. This is one that I created in December, and ever since then I've been slowly seeing myself achieving these goals that I've set for myself. So I'll be teaching you how to make this and how to make it work. So I use Canva. Canva is the app that I use. I just go in on the search section and I type vision board just to get inspiration, just to envision what I want, just to be sure, okay, do I want a vision board for my phone or for my desktop or for my tablet? Canva has a lot of templates that you can use for vision boards, mood boards and the like. So Canva is the app I recommend, and Canva is the app that I use. So here I am just scrolling for inspirations. Am I feeling stuff here? Not really. So okay, at this point I found this template, I liked it, and this is the template we'll be using for this particular that template is the template we'll be using for this particular video, but I did pick a random template for us to use, so I'll show you how you can do it yourself for this video. So first and foremost, you get a notepad, write down your goals for 2023. What do you want 2023? How do you want your 2023 to be like? Be goal oriented, be straightforward, be specific. I have career goals because I recently transitioned into tech. I have gym and body goals as well because I want to look hot this 2023. I have friendship goals because last year I didn't really have so much good experience with friendships. I have relationship goals because this year I'm in a relationship. Healthy eating goals because I have bad eating habits, and other goals which is for my YouTube, my content creation goals and the likes. So you can just include several things. Travel goals, I've never entered plane before, so I included that as well, one of the things I want to accomplish. So what we're going to do is going to go to Google and we'll go to our second best friend, Pinterest. If you don't know, Pinterest is your go-to for anything aesthetically pleasing. So I still did some research on Pinterest to still see and get more inspirations, and I realized that I did not put money goals. Like, what is 2023 without getting cool cash? Like, without making the money. The goal is to make this money and make it plenty and enjoy. So after doing that, I'm going to look at my list again. After looking at my list, I'm going to search Pinterest for each of these goals, but aesthetically pleasing pictures for these goals. For instance, career goals, now I'm looking for aesthetically pleasing pictures for my career goals. So I found one. I download directly. I do not do that click by the side. I just download directly from the site, and it is downloaded here at the bottom if you can see it. So after that, I do the rest. For the others, I always go through my list to be sure. I do the rest for the other list as this is going. Make sure you have a picture, make sure you have a vision. If you want your mood board to be all pink, all blue, just try to blend the colors. So how do you upload these pictures to Canva? You come to this section, you see where there's upload, there's record yourself. I already have some pictures here saved, but you can just click upload. It's going to open your file, your folder where there's downloads, and then you can click on the pictures you want to upload to your Canva app, and then it's just going to upload there in no time, like you see here already. So like I said, I already have some pictures here already. So how you're going to continue is you're going to just edit the pictures. They already have a template for you. Some of these pictures might be copyrighted, you don't know, so it's wise for you to just get your own pictures from Pinterest. So like you're seeing, I'm taking the pictures, adding them and dragging. How you add and drag, you're going to click on the particular picture you want to add to your vision board, and then you're just going to drag to any side that you feel is comfortable for you. So I'm showing this video because so that you will know how to do it if you don't have a specific template in mind, and so you see how easy it is. But then I have another template that is specifically for this video, so I'm making this for a friend. This is specifically for this video, so you're going to see how exactly I fitted some things in. As you can see the Canva watermarks. That is why it is advisable to download your pictures from Pinterest. So I removed all those flowers, butterfly, all those elements because I don't want them in it. I started imputing my pictures in this specific frame on these templates, and I was just putting it however I felt like I wanted it to look like. You understand? So there's no specific rule to creating a mood board. Just do you. Envision yourself. What do you want for 2023? How do you want your life to be for 2023? What are the plans you've made for 2023? Ever since I had a vision board, I've been more intentional about my job. I've been more intentional about friendships. I've been more consistent with content creation, and it has helped because every single time I look at this vision board, I mean, it reminds me that I have a goal for 2023 and I have to meet it. So yeah, you can as well add like motivational quotes and the likes here and all that. So it's a very simple and straightforward process. It's not going to take you more than 20 minutes of your time. So you can just get on it, and don't forget to tag me when you create your own vision board. I would like to see all the wonderful plans you have, and don't forget to back up your vision board with prayers as well and hard work, because without prayer and hard work you're not going to achieve anything. You're just going to be playing around. So this is the finished product and I like it, and I hope you guys like it as well. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, comment, and let me know if you will try this and if you want more videos like this. Till we meet again, bye.